Look at this. A gift from Amazon that I paid for. Let's quickly unbox and review my first ever gaming mechanical keyboard. This is a HAVIT branded gaming keyboard and it is pretty well packaged. Now, let's unbox this thing. Package comes with a full-length keyboard with a cool Batman logo, as well as a gaming mouse, which it has is also really cool. A user manual, as well as a key plucker or something. And there is this arm rester that you can put your arms to rest on it. I bought this mechanical keyboard from Amazon for around 65 Aussie dollars. And if converted to US dollars, it's around 48 US dollars. I know my computer setup is not the best, but please forgive me. But right now, I'm gonna turn this and plug it in. Oh! Let me turn off the light so you can see clearly how beautiful it is. This is a plug and play keyboard, meaning you do not need to download any drivers for it to work. But if you want to customize your own likes, you will need to download their software. It has a size of 45 x 12 cm with a thickness of around 3.5 cm. It weighs around 500 grams. It is also a low profile blue switch mechanical keyboard which makes pretty loud clicking sound. The case looks like it's levitating mid-air, which is pretty cool. The quality of the keycaps doesn't look nor feel cheap at all. I think it's made out of some kind of aluminium alloy that really feels good when typing. It is anti-ghosting as well, meaning you can press two buttons at the same time without interference. And the placement of the keys are slightly slanted to probably make it easier to type with. Right now I would like to test the different color modes of this thing. So just press function F9. So this is a single color one. Function F9 again. So this is a lasery one. This is the constant changing color mode. I think I really like this one. It's not too distracting as well. So this is slower changing color mode. And this is the RGB rainbow one. Wow. Look at this. Oh wow. Holy shit. This is really cool, to be honest. Wow. When you just type something, it immediately blinks. Oh my god. I really like this feature. So you see, boom, boom. Let's take a closer look. So the next one. So this is just low blinking mode. The next one. So this lights up the whole row. Pretty cool. The next one. This is color switching randomly. Oh, this is pretty cool as well. This is pretty cool as well. So there are total 14 modes that you can change from. This is also really cool. Wow, man. It's impressive, tell you. Alright, so we have tested 14 of those functions. And if you press the button on the light as well, there are a few different modes. This colorful mode, the slow changing color mode, the faster rainbow mode, a blinking single color mode I read. Alright. Now I'll try the clicking and typing sound of the keyboard. So here is the sound like. I would like to try gaming in this keyboard, but since I do not have Fortnite installed in my laptop, I'll just play my next game, which is League of Legends. And therefore, here is the sound typed up through playing League of Legends game. To conclude my gaming and typing experience, while I was gaming, I did not really bother of the clicking sound because I'm trying to focus on the game. But while typing, I feel soothing when I hear the clicking sound, which is a plus for me. Overall, I really like the keyboard and I can't wait to do some coding with it. But beware, the clicking sound is quite loud and some of you guys might not like it. But for me, I really like the sound it makes. And as usual, I'll be rating all my budget gears in terms of its quality and satisfaction. And today, the HAVIT KB389L or 389L receives a rating of 8.5 out of 10. If you have only a budget of $100 or $50 for your first gaming keyboard, don't hesitate, just go and get this one. I've read almost all the comments in Amazon about different keyboards under $100 and I've got to agree with them that this keyboard plus mouse combo is the best budget mechanical gaming mouse keyboard available in Amazon. Thank you for watching. I hope I give you an insight about whether this keyboard is worth buying. Till the next video, Budget Zero, peace out.